Hello everyone, today I want to show you about best places to visit in Sri Lanka. The idyllic island nation of Sri Lanka never fails to leave its visitors enthralled. The teardrop-shaped country is bejeweled with a myriad of awe-inspiring treasures. Experience the best of this South Asian nation by adding the following places to your travel itinerary to Sri Lanka. Sigiriya Rock Fortress. Sigiriya Rock Fortress, or Lion Rock, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a place of immense archaeological and historical significance in Sri Lanka. It is visited by a whopping number of tourists each year, both local and foreign. Climbing to the top of this rock involves conquering over 1,000 steps, but the arduous climb will be worth it once you reach the summit and are greeted by breathtaking panoramic views of the surroundings. This man-made wonder is a must-visit to truly admire Sri Lanka. Kandy. The picturesque city of Kandy is also known as the cultural capital of Sri Lanka. The city is the ideal place to lose yourself in the serenity exuding from the verdant, central highlands of the country. The one thing that places Kandy on most itineraries is the famous temple of the sacred tooth relic. Known as Sri Dalanda Malagawa in the local tongue, this venue of worship holds a tooth of Lord Buddha, a precious relic to Buddhists in Sri Lanka. Don't forget to take a stroll around the scenic Kandy Lake while you're in the city. Nuwara Eliya. Nestled away amidst the rolling hills of Sri Lanka's central highlands, Nuwara Eliya is a popular holiday destination and colonial town. The cold, misty weather, lush tea plantations, and the many colonial bungalows with neatly manicured gardens are reminiscent of an old-world British colonial town. The magnificent scenery and unique ambience make it a great holiday for locals and foreigners alike. This misty hill station has also earned an endearing moniker, Little England. Colombo. Colombo, the commercial capital of Sri Lanka, is where you can treat yourself to a vibrant city getaway right in the center of the action. The bustling city never seems to sleep and is home to a number of accommodations offering easy access to the city's prime allurements. Contrary to popular opinion, one can spend a fine day or two in this economic capital. Gale Face Green is a splendid place for relaxing with your loved ones. Colorful kites dot the sky, and you can treat your taste buds to the wonderful flavors of Isso Wadey sold by the many vendors lining the beach. Not far from Beira Lake is Gangaramaya Temple, a place of Buddhist worship and a center of learning for young monks. Hikkaduwa. Ask your Sri Lanka travel agent to include Hikkaduwa in your itinerary if you're big on exploring beaches. The vibrant coastal town of Hikkaduwa is a fine holiday hub where one can savor a slice of sun, sand, and the sea. Thanks to the popular hospitality establishments offered by popular chains, Hikkaduwa is among the top contenders that attract tourists from far and wide. Travel Lanka Connection and similar other reputed travel companies will put together carefully curated itineraries to suit all your travel needs, and this can include a stop at Hikkaduwa. As well, head to the scenic, sandy shores and bask in the soothing sun while savoring the tropical vibes that this picturesque beach town has to offer. Thank you for watching. Wait to see next video. Please subscribe, like and share to get more. Thanks.